Hello everyone, today, let me show you the intelligent palm oil production line manufactured by Huatai. Every piece of equipment is independently developed by us and manufactured with patented technologies. Behind me is Huatai's patented product, the palm fruit oil press, which features high oil yield and low energy consumption. This is a palm kernel shelling machine, which can completely separate the kernels with low damage rate. Here is a palm kernel oil press, enabling more efficient and pure extraction of the palm kernel oil. This is the palm fruit sterilization tank, divided into horizontal and vertical two kinds, ensure that the fruit is thoroughly sterilized. This is the meshing tank, which heats, softens, and meshes the fruit to prepare for oil pressing. This is the threshing machine drum, specially designed for efficient separation of palm fruit from the fresh fruit bunch. We can provide a complete set of palm fruit oil production line equipment. It also includes screw conveyors, elevators, oil storage tanks, sewage treatment equipment, and so on. Ensure smooth production of the whole production line. All equipment is intelligently controlled by Huatai's PLC central control system, achieving automation, data-driven operations, and remote monitoring to create a truly advanced palm oil production line. With patented technologies, stable efficiency, and intelligent management, we will help your palm oil production become more efficient and gain more market occupation.